bakeries across the USA are charging a fortune for giant puff pastry sandwiches, but you can make this mint chocolate masterpiece right at home. Start by melting butter, sugar, salt, water, and milk in a saucepan. Once it boils, pull it off the heat and stir in your cake flour and cocoa powder. Put it back on the stove for 1 minute, then let the dough cool. Gradually beat in 3 eggs until the batter drops from your spatula in a smooth V shape. Pack the dough into 2 6-inch pans in a spiral and bake